Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to continue from where we left off. In my previous video on how to create a coloring book, I got some questions and I thought it wise to make a second part for this, okay? And if this is your first time, maybe you're trying to publish on Amazon KDP, you can check out this video showing up here. In this video, I show you exactly how to generate multiple coloring books for adults. Plus, I also went ahead showing you on Canva how to design your interior, the concepts you are to use, the design, the formatting, and everything you need to know about Amazon KDP. And lastly, in this video, I also showed you how to create your book cover using a very special AI tool. Hopefully, you get to find it super helpful. In this tutorial, I hope to answer all of your questions, okay? So I'm going to show you exactly how to use the flipbook feature on Canva, and don't worry, it is absolutely free, and this will help you have an idea of what your book will potentially look like once Amazon publish your book, and in that way it will guide you on your layout and your design. Okay, I'm going to show you how to generate your coloring book using my own custom prompt on Leonardo AI. Then lastly, I'm also going to show you exactly how to upload your book on Amazon. Some persons come to my comment section telling me they had uploaded their manuscript and book cover, but yet they got an error message and don't know how to fix it. So I hope with the help of this tutorial, you will be able to upload your books without getting any error messages. Without further ado, let's get started to the video of the day. So let's head over to Leonardo AI for a run through on how to create an image for our coloring book. On this page, you click on the launch app button, and once you do, you will be brought up here to either sign in or you log in. So I will log in because I already have an account, and you'll be brought up to this interface. So right here, click on image generation. Now this is where you get to generate your images, but first, here is what you want to do. Over here are the number of images you can generate at once. So you can choose whichever number that pleases you, but for me, I'll go with 2 images. Then I will scroll down and adjust the dimension to this in order to give me a portrait image. And this will be our prompt. And don't worry, I'll leave you with this prompt in the description box. And the next thing you want to do right now is to click on this coloring book here. Ensure it is turned on. And for your fine tool model, ensure you select Leonardo Diffusion. And once that's done, all you need to do is to click on the generate button, then click on generations to see your image. And I think this is actually very nice. So now you know how to generate your image. And if you need to generate more, simply come over here and click on the generate button to generate similar or same kind of image. And once you're done generating your images, the next thing you want to do is to download it. So all you need to do is just to come over here and you click here where it says download. And you can use this feature to upscale your image if need be, but this can only be done if you're using the paid version. And if you're on the free version, all you need to do is use a third-party app. So you come over to this website to upscale your image if need be. And the next thing we're going to do right now is to head over to Canva, where we are going to design our book interior. Before you start your book creation, especially if you intend to publish on Amazon KDP, you must have used the Amazon calculator to determine your book dimension. So popular books are always 8.5 by 11, and that is exactly what we're going to use. So we're going to use 8.5 by 11. So change this into inch and click on create design, and you'll be brought up to this interface. And this is where you get to work on your interior page, okay? So working on Canva is as simple as drag and drop. And here is exactly what you would want to do. Now click on the upload feature to upload all the images you had already generated and downloaded from Leonardo AI. I have mine already uploaded. So what you'd want to do is just to tap on the image and you have it on the blank space. Okay? But before you start working on your interior, or rather placing your images, you will need a frame in order to make it look good. So click over here and search for frame. Now make it fitting a bit. Then the next thing you want to do is to add border to it. Now you can place your image. As you can see, it's looking beautiful. So this is exactly how you want to design your interior. But then here is what you need to do first. Working on the font matter. So this is the finished interior, and the concept here is having a blank space at every interval of your design. So when it comes to coloring book, this is what your book should actually contain. Your front matter should contain the blank space, the title, copyright page, and all of that. So here is the concept, guys. After the first page, which is the blank page, there comes the title page. Now with a blank page, but instead of leaving it as blank page, it's good to add a design. Then the next page is a copyright page with a design. And the next page is also a design. So in this way, you don't make a boring book, okay? So this is what you want to do for the font matter. As you can see, it comes with a design. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how the interior will look like once Amazon publishes. So you would have a better understanding of why it is essential to have extra pages, like having extra pages before your main design. So now this is a colored page to usher your coloring pages. So this is 2 colors, okay? And these colors are going to fall in the middle page. I'm going to show you shortly what it looks like. Come a blank space. Now this is your coloring pages. And for every coloring pages, you have 2 blank pages, okay? As you can see, this is 2, the next coloring book, then 2 blank pages. And this is the concept here, guys. Colored page. So it gives the people an idea of what the pages could potentially look like. It kind of inspire the user or whoever that is coloring the pages. So that's it basically about the interior. So what you want to do is once you're done, you add to the back matter, okay? So here is the back matter. I will add extra colored pages again, and this will usher my back matter, which includes acknowledgement, thank you, and all of that, okay? So this is it basically. So here is exactly how to design your coloring book like a professional. And if you want this template, you can always let me know in the comment section. I'll leave a link to this template, and it would also help and guide you on how to set out your design. You can use it as a guide while you're working on your coloring pages, okay? Don't worry, I'm not gonna charge you guys for money. It is free. All you have to do is just to give the video a like, and that's it, okay? So I'm going to show you exactly what to do to ensure that your design are well aligned and all of this are in the middle pages, okay? I'm going to show you what I mean by saying in the middle page. So once you're done, you come over here where you have share, you click on share. This time not download, so you click on more. Once you click on more, you scroll down. So we're going to use any of this, and I think I'll go with this guy. So what you want to do is you're going to select all pages. Ensure you select all pages. So once you click on done, you save it, and you have this here telling you preparing your design. So you wait for it, and now it will tell you to view. Click here, you want to view in, and now it's saying your flipbook is being processed. So you see why I suggest you leave a blank space. Now it's looking very beautiful. So you can either leave it a blank space or you add a design, but I choose to add a design, and as you can see, it is looking beautiful. And now this is what I mean by middle page. As you can see, this design fell on a middle page. This is the concept. And this is another middle page, okay? As you can see, our colored page fell on the middle page. And this is what makes your coloring page unique. And here is the back matter, okay? As you can see, this design did not fall in the middle page. It was side by side, which is still okay since it's the back matter. And however, this could actually be a design also. So now that you've checked your interior and you're satisfied with your design, the layout and all of that, the next thing you want to do is to upload on Amazon KDP. I will assume you have downloaded your manuscript, which is your interior from Canva. And right here on the Amazon KDP platform, I'm just going to click on sign in and input my login details. So you'll be brought up to this interface, and I just navigate to the paperback content section. And this is the section where you are most likely to get it wrong. So you need to follow my instructions. To begin, ensure you click on get a free KDP ISBN because coloring books are medium content and not low content, okay? Now your printing option. Do not choose the white and black interior because this is coloring book and we have colored images in our pages, okay? So you choose the standard colored interior. So then comes the trim size. This is very important. Your trim size, remember we did 8.5 by 11. If you choose something different, please select it. For the bleed setting, please choose bleed and ensure it's in PDF only. Okay, that is because our images spread across the edges. Some of our images actually spread across the edges. So choose matte. And for your manuscript, which is your interior, just click over there and upload it. The next thing you want to do is to upload your book cover. Like I said, I already made a video on how to make book covers, so go and see it. Next is the AI generated content. Of course, we used AI to make our coloring book, so you can always select it if you don't mind. Now click on the launch preview. So this is the section where you get to see if your book have any error. As you can see, our book does not have any error. It said quality check. If there was an error, you would have been notified, but we don't have any error here, which is actually a good one. This is the book cover, and I'm just going to use this arrow space. Now the interior and all of that, okay? So apparently, there are not errors in our book cover and our interior. And once you're done, all you need to do is just to click on the approve button. And there you have it. This is a summary of your book settings. And over here is the printing cost. Because we chose the standard interior color, standard color interior, that is why the printing cost is about $4. If you actually choose the white and black, you probably will get a lesser printing cost. So your price tag should be around $8, okay? So that you can make a profit of maybe $3 or $4. So once you're done, you click on save and continue. So that is it basically here, guys. And if you have any other questions, you can always reach out to me in the comment section. I hope you found this super helpful, guys. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And this will also encourage me to make more of KDP tutorial videos, okay? Thank you so very much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.